This is a turbine we got from our shipping agent, and this turbine produces a DC power supply ranging from 9 volts to 12 volts depending on the pressure of the water. Water comes in from one channel and goes and leaves through the other channel. The power generation is ranged from 8 volts, but everything depends on the pressure of the water. So let me take you in for a proper experiment. Stay tuned. See what is coming out. At this point we'll have 10.5 volts from here. Depending on the pressure, we don't have a heavy pressure here. You can see nothing else is connected to it. As the water is flowing, as the water goes down, goes up, keep increasing the level of the water, the voltage you are generating keeps increasing down to 10.7 because the pressure I'm having here is very low. So let me also connect a bulb to it so that you see how it powers a bulb. After we have connected the bulb to it, a LED bulb, let's power the water supply and see what happens. You see, we'll have 7.89 volts. 89 volts. That is this can power an LED bulb. But what happened here? From what we had before, there's a drop in voltage because of the load that has been attached to it. Thank you. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you'll be notified anytime we upload a new video. Thank you.